Erastus Asayodonko ya Miami boss Erastus under Ekufuado MPP we are no. He went to discover say military Ghana military and a boss site forest home buying Emma MPP Galamsey. Yes, you were here. We saw all this. MPP was here day. The question I want to ask you people is simple. What do you need the power for? What do you need it for? Still, I'm not to mean church, somebody to me. But you have still not showed us the somebody to me yet. Me being a politician. It's not about Kevin Taylor's name you are mentioning on TV, on radio. Ghana for some more to me, more de ding. Canada Japan petumi or the bedding. Bawumia petumi or the bedding. Then I'm over some obey. Because right now, as we speak, let me show you this. As we speak right now, this Galamsey is being fought every day. What we are seeing is enough. And we know the government is going to work harder. As we speak, anti-Galamsey task force, Pages and Cobra, Bonsa Rivers, 300 structures destroyed, equipment seized. Every single day, we are fighting this slowly, step by step. Progress is being made. In the end, to me, Mamono, Namo de Babe, the mobile Galamsey more than the NDC 4 year and answer the more the extraordinary idea be bar now. Do you have something extraordinary that we should give power to you people? Because you've still not told us. Can you do more than this? Because most started say more can Galamsey one seven. Maintain say your mom 8 years when your solution. Still when your solution my and so more day more per day yenya day. Now me say mobile catch us 8 years the solution necessary the solution into the air cost the. But you guys have not been able to tell us to say the air cost now NDC now this is how it's supposed to be done. Because when you were in power, Ghanaians were asking, say, at the intina Mwankasa mu state of the emergency na or some to Galam. China man fan to so. Mokachre say state of emergency here. And this is about power. John Mahama Krampo the unruly out state of emergency. Nana the Danko Kufu and MPP almost omunye. John Mahama Sawati Brofua or Kasano. Or see, he has not ruled out state of emergency, but we have not also exhausted all the opportunities to make sure we clamp down on illegal mining. And it means state of emergency, it's still, it can be called tomorrow 2 years or 3 years. So at this point, what is the noise about? Still, I'm on my information. Call state of emergency. The president, nobody in Ghana today, Obian to internet TV, so nobody in Ghana today can say John Mahama has said emphatically that there will never be state of emergency. John Mahama kabro for mutiye. As he has not ruled it out. The reason why he's reluctant is because he has seen, his government is taking the steps needed, and that when all the steps they are taking, when it is exhausted, any changes are, he can put a state of emergency. What is the big deal? Then you see people like I don't know what's his name, that Metro TV board of director, that these people who make money out of politics, they're making noise. We have not exhausted everything until we exhaust everything, because there are about 3,000 blue water guards who are supposed to be in a system. The president says they are going to be in a system. We are waiting. We will see their impact. Now we see how Gold Board is resourcing the security task force in charge to prevent illegal mining. We will see how it will go until those things are exhausted. Then we don't see any change. Then we can all come together and say state of emergency. But if the government, if we Ghanaians still can ashibe and the criminal groups, they only make money out of this kind of controversy conversation. They don't suggest anything better. Kenashibe is the board chair of Metro TV. Paul Adomotri, who is under investigations, under criminal investigations, is still sitting on TV talking on Metro TV. Kanashibe has no moral right to even sit on TV to open his stinking mouth to talk about Ghana. Morally, you are supposed to stop Paul Adomotri, who is under criminal investigations, from sitting on the TV that you were board chair on. And you get all these people, they have no shame. They have no shame because they have taken Ghanaians for granted for a long time and they keep using Ghanaians. This time it's not going to work. We are going to stick to the principles. Yeah. The Anti-Galamsey Task Force, they are working so hard. And the Gold Board, they have released pickups. They have released money. They are resourcing them. Now, the Lands Minister, through the presidency, they are going to release another 2,000 blue water guards. They are also going to be in the system. The Ghana Police Service is also trying to train these people to bring the president said, even they are looking at how to start cleaning the waters by collaborating with other Indian countries. We are still working. Where is the dede coming from? To me, my PP. Now, look at this. We are going to go straight and take care of this. A very, very important story. And before we go in there, and the Chief Justice to be, Mr. Bafuboni. The last time that president state meet the press and me catch the Ghana for say the first thing, say president is serious to stop Galamsey. The first thing he would do, one, on my license, and the second thing is to stop anyone from mining in our forests. And that is what the CJ is saying. He says repealing LI 2462 is a good place to start if you want to win the war against Galamsey. He knows what he's talking about. Because you see, one stopping issuing license, you cannot stop Galamsey. And John Mahama came to office, the first thing he did was he stopped issuing any license. EBC and John Mahama about power, Oma will be a license to go and mine. That was the first step. Say the government was ready to fight illegal mining. Meaning, whoever is doing illegal mining today, the license was issued by Kwadwo to that person. If you look at it carefully, because when you take a step back 8 years, Obia Okuta illegal mining license bia oye gala or Ghana no. That means sa license in Kwadwo when the omo because Kwadwo signed over 1,000 licenses. Edeman call for say they should go do illegal mining. Mahama about power. Mahama has not issued any license. Meaning, say and the Galamsey Koswa the MPP record and yield that bad water na yehuno. And the insuna esseno what the MPP they were overseeing. It is the license they were issuing. It is their own people who were in the water bodies and forests destroying yensase. Inti John Mahama ba power no. Menoka Sunday, John Mahama will be a license uncle mine you. Inti mining be a costubiano. It was the license was issued under John Nane Kwadwo and Bawumia. I am yet to hear any NPP communicator say na John Mahama ba power no and one will be license say uncle mine John Mahama ma will be a license at least for the past 8 years John Mahama and Tam license ma will be a. What John Mahama did was to stop that thing and it's not ever seen the 8 months John Mahama ma will be a license or Ghana to go and mine whether small scale whether commercial whether whatever. John Mahama and Tam license ma will be on signing even one license. So why is anybody blaming John Mahama? John Mahama is trying to clean the shit of Kwadwo and Bawumia. The shit that the NPP left behind. The nonsense these fools left behind. John Mahama is dealing with it today. So the same people who took the shit are telling us, say, why don't you wash us? Wash us. Today, they are forcing NDC government. If you don't wash us right now, we will tell the world that you are not a good parent. This is the kind of political foolishness we are seeing. The MPP took a shit on itself. For 8 years. In 8 months, they want the new government to clean them up. Na yambo mo powder, nyamfa roll on for mo spray mo from kosi wiem. Nyankanche wiase nyina say they are the cleanest kids. Inti under NDC say trying sa enye na won ni nyabotre. We have to take our time and make sure say anena one ne ye no yare nko wumu. So we are going to take time. One, ye ba wash your first. And secondly, ye the seminar I wash. And third, ye the sapwaka seminar ho. And fourth, ye we are the work hospital ko check up and say umu yare ni umu a. And five, ye say we are right thinking human being to be part of a nipa. That is the step the NDC is taking. And Ankwasiafo will say, Jaremiende ya, wash me today, make me smell good, and tell the world, say, the shitting I've been shitting for 8 years on my skin like Kwame Ngono. That shit, with 8 months, you have to solve it. Mwe Jimmy. The MPP, they are foolish. And your mama is saying, no, you're free, you're poor, you're sick, and we are going to gradually take care of this problem. Inti, mi jujoma chira muwehu. Inti, and the MPP for TV, so radio, so. Na say John Mahama etna TV sunu radio so na so mka say NDC for na Galamsey the chief justice said we should repealing of the 24662 LI no it is the second biggest decision any government can take. First one, John Mahama on signing license bia, and secondly he's about to repeal mining in our forests. That is the two things that you can stop illegal mining about 60%. Why you doing it? Because one, obiani who can say it is obi say for state of emergency bra. Na say kase and obiani to me wura forest enkoye mining na. It is bigger than state of emergency. Because one, say kase LI 2462 ye the abam rama ya sign ya, meaning the whole Ghana forest wahano obiani to me wura forest nim enkoye den enkonkoye Galamsey, meaning say a state of emergency. You cannot place state on emergency on every single forest in Ghana because there are people who are doing some things they are almost so they over court. But when you put a law through parliament, it means nobody can at the end of the day enter any forest. This is even bigger than state of emergency. Repealing the LI 2462, no, it is bigger than state of emergency because at the beginning. First, the government does not give license, and secondly, repealing the LI 2462, meaning Obian to Minko Forest. So what again? This is bigger than state of emergency. Now, MP before Betana TV swa. No more say the president he should call for state of emergency. The question is, state of emergency, saying. How do they understand it? Omotiasia saying. So state of emergency, no muti asia saying because omati state of emergency. So state of emergency no omati no. How did they understand it? They think say state of emergency say obana bibi tabuna to the whole Ghana, so it does not work like that. This is John Mahama speaking on repealing LI 2462.
Additionally, in the extractive sector, the Gold Board is formalizing Ghana's gold trade. As of today, gold trading is a reserve for only Ghanaians. This strategic move will help maximize national benefits, enhance transparency, and ensure that the wealth generated from our natural resources is reinvested in our communities and national development. We're also taking decisive action to protect our environment and natural resources from destruction. A dedicated national task force is currently in place, actively combating the menace of illegal mining. As a result of their operations, hundreds of excavators, water pumps, and other heavy equipment have been seized, disrupting the networks that have long exploited our lands and our rivers. In addition to enforcement, we are reclaiming what has been lost. 9 forest reserves have been successfully recovered from the grip of illegal miners, restoring these vital ecosystems under state protection. Our Tree for Life initiative is being actively rolled out across the country, targeting the restoration of lands degraded by illegal mining activities. Steps are currently underway to repeal LI 2462 to formalize our commitment to end mining in forest reserves. Let me be clear, since my administration resumed office, not a single license has been issued to any company to mine in our forest reserves. Since my administration resumed office, let me be clear, since my administration resumed office, not a single license has been issued to any company to mine in our forest reserves. The repeal of LI 2462 is therefore intended just to crystallize in law what we have already demonstrated in practice, which is our commitment to protect these forest reserves.
Clearly, President Acheampong, under his leadership, not a single license has been issued under his leadership. And he's telling you the LI 24 the LI 2462. You be a parliamentar, they are also going to make sure they repeal it. That is how you fight Galamsey. Now, pump machines are man for the gala and the yachia yanshino and a president Kayano. How many have they distributed to the farmers in Ghana? About 900. 900. Ministry of Food and Agriculture. Mr. Eric Ayedieng, what's his name? The Agric Minister. See what the Agric Minister too is doing. Yes, easy water pump machines now. Near the Agric Minister. Now Agric Minister so Acheampong. Now the cocoa no so Eddie e bonsio. This is how you build. This is how Mr. Eric Opoku, the Agric Minister, on the summer catch them. A basse ye jum ewo ekuayomudia and the men for India agro. Messi ono ya wono ne mame awoko kan mame kokoko ase. Eric Opoku, the Agric Minister. Awoko kan mame kokoko ase. Ya wono na kokoko tete etete. There ya wono owo. Ya wono osu na kokoko tete. Oni me kuadwuma no. Intimi kwa metati so kabro fo kra na hame. Papa no tumi dwam ewa kankasem, and I want him to keep doing that because unim Ghana kuadwuma no ehia. And when you get people like this leading the agric ministry and the Diania full today, yenin kwasia planting for food and jobs are Mickey Mouse Gina ho. No mudin kwasia samo Ghana. We have people who know what they are doing, practical job. And through Galamsey I stopping and yetumenya over 900 water pumping machines are yadi make for edigu omundi abaso. This is how you build a nation. You are deterring people from getting into illegal mining, and you are using what you are getting out to also build some sector. Intende pumping machines over 900. And that is the only way you can fight illegal mining, because you cannot just sit there and say I state of emergency. The reason why are not people like us in 2024, so many people were screaming that state of emergency to be placed was because Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo and the MPP were not showing any signs of fighting illegal mining. We were in the country, and I say Professor Frimpong Boateng, sector minister, Ebeka Chere say on one case actual report Ame Akufo-Addo e detail omo ya Galamsey on Abena mu chema won tumi ka ho Kweku ba ka ho Gabi Ochedako di wom Lord Comedy wom Akufo-Addo busuafo ya tikroma ma Akufo-Addo to twene ye. So at that point Nana Akufo-Addo did not want to exhaust the rest of the opportunities to stop illegal mining. MPP Abena, chairman for women organizer, were involved. So at that point, what should we do? We were asking for the last resort because the government wasn't ready to fight illegal mining. Sankanana Dankwa Akufo-Addo and MPP before show signs of fighting illegal mining now. And nobody would have called for a state of emergency. Because remember, state of emergency came in the conversation at the latter part of 2024 because the government had stopped everything. When he start to talk about fighting illegal mining, the government gets angry. We went there near Oho and the gala stop by Yoho and the DND drones by Yaho. All those things they brought, they did not at the end of the day follow up. They just used it to make money in 2020. Into at a point, na Ghana for break. Now you busa questions. President when also in the presidency better so Adentine Akufo-Addo onye bibia ubusa na obi didi watem. Uko demonstration ani acho ne ebo. Uko busa nsama ne tatao. Frimpong Boateng no sector minister e the reporter ba ne ato atwene. Na Akufo-Addo asako gina asantememu. Na odidi asantefo ahina tem abra report ne shade to. So everybody was exhausted. We were all tired. So we all started calling for state of emergency because at least everything should halt. Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo before he left office issued over 2,000 licenses. What was he doing to stop the illegal mining? But Mahama and the NDC have been in power for 9 months. They have not issued a single license. They are thinking of taking the LI 2462 to Parliament to repeal it. Senebeya Obia and to me a forest. Remember, Akufo-Addo de be a door no man comfort to me virgin forest muko mining. Unkwasiya for MPP we are. Today, I'm to the TV so no and the NTS they are foolish. They are stupid. They don't have the intelligence. Anytime I say more per to me, more to me near ding. What we are seeing now is better. We believe in what is happening now. We see progress. The people who don't want to see progress is their problem. Mama Kanchro. So be a da. Na so washada akatele ni sa wada na unyane na obekatele obeshara ye no so wada nti unyane And that is what we are seeing. Some of these people sitting on TV and radio and acting as if say they are seeing nothing going on. It is their problem because Oma Kachrom who say the government is fighting illegal mining. It is their problem. But every day we see the report on the fight against Galamsey illegal mining. We are happy. So I don't have a problem because I am seeing progress. Where we were was terrible. Right now I'm seeing a government that is working. It's trying. It is trying everything possible to stop illegal mining. And that is where my concentration is. I don't care about any fool who thinks to say because MPP free power and tea or Beckham BBR to say the Ashane Koso yet Ghana yenim the Koso. We see it day in day out what the government is doing. Inti omom didi TV sunu radio suna yama momu sika so mkase yentiasie illegal mining is ongoing. Our water bodies, it is their problem. It is their own cup of tea. You there, you can see Delhi what this government is doing. I am a hunyo maybe on social media. I have four majimi bi Twitter TV so. You see show based on people who don't matter. Boga, mi bebe medru no. Majority of Omo TV say showbiz or say majority of them PC DJs, they are some useless, dirty people. They don't even understand themselves. They don't even know whether they are men or women. These are people who are confused about their lives. How can they understand how Ghana we can govern? Yes, Jimmy to UTV. It is you need to mention Kevin to be relevant. And who can't be a DJ in Ghana? And the one name to be a DJ. But you ne personal, ne kasa ne personal. It is not any unique craft. Ghana ne craft intra. And I question pay bien to man school in Rachel a DJ. With all due respect to some qualified DJs or my school papa, but most of the people who are sitting on TV say me a DJ, me bonyum waha. Ochina wan bedjuma betumenya eye gate man be bonyum. Inti what is so unique about we a DJ? Into politics now a former a Jimmy four boys with dirty boys with na no Kevin Taylor ding because it will make them relevant. Omo ma amenu mo tie kura se bete so ma ba TV so because one Kevin Taylor dia we kura se for the nim say nkran na wote kwate cheme hall mu. And that is where we are now. PC DJs and omoka politics. How low your politics now are full. Jimmy Fona, he has some good TV so because Kwame Despite no who don't find the sick yet. And you get very dirty people. Very dirty people in Ghana trying to sound as if they are intelligent because a moya full. Yenya Jimmy Nibia is better TV Sinakasa. Yenya Jimmy Nibia is we a DJ Bonyum PC DJs. Abumbo don't enter Togo. At the Ghana boy yasenyum edidi yase girlfriends ni ade ejimi fowe. These are people who cannot make any submission to change the dynamics, to change the thinking level of Ghanaians, how we should see things. No. I don't pay attention to such me say one made juma 2 days obebana watchman and your position e bonyum enyum ya born saying. What is so exceptional about being a DJ in 2025? Nobody is an exceptional DJ. With all due respect to some people who have conducted themselves well. But majority of this low-level, dirty boys, and the DJ. And such people want to be relevant because I'm free of crass bedroom, bedroom kind and Omobusia for shut down into Omokobo Kevin Taylor, didn't Kevin Taylor Bomudim, Kevin Taylor Mimboding, Bobusia for Wejimi. And these are foods. And also, they are Mesako Teba Akubi. Ono so te wose ain John Mahama boa na Kumase kwan no ofanko se de ndie ko Kumase no John Mahama e wo so oyewie na oyi ne nsa firi ho ansa na John Mahama de ne nsa akoka e kwan foforo misi wei akwa bi ono so eno so obobo oka enwom ho nsam misi na momu nyina na mudi kwan ansa mabetena TV so ana John Mahama nya kwan ba ko wie enyi ne nsa firi ho ansa na wakọ e kwan foforo so na wodi se diaper na yebo yebo akora we diaper wie yenjare ne mbo diaper wie na yankobo akora foforo diaper ye wi ani akobo odi se diaper aman na ye kyekere inkofo we pa rade jagobo ayefu nti aman na ye kyekere ye diaper na yebo say diaper no awontafo a ubo we die wie na odi pina bom na wawai na na sinchen na obebo foforo we ye kyekere man it your friend be concurrent what you say ade ayeye ni nyina pepepe because e kro de team no obi ahia ade different into kwasiam panyie ye nya hanwie enkase ye kwan afiri akra kodu Kumase awie abesa ho kete ansa ne akostati awona to Togo dabi ye concurrently It's a for politics. It is okay for entertainment. It is okay to discuss Shatawale. It is okay to discuss Stoneboy. Okay, that is where your level of intelligence reaches. It's okay. But do not enter a place where it is bigger than your brain. No. When you do that, you expose yourself. Especially because your level of thinking is very low. And these are things that we keep advising you people. You are ignorant. You are ignorant. And see, when it comes to the fight against Galamsey, you have to come here under a government, a whole government that was using some corrupt military men to protect Galamsey sites. And I want to ask him today, after I did the story on Erastus, or send him a message, be very interesting message. I like it, boss. And you know, you are my boss, so whatever message you send me, I take it in good faith. But the truth has to be said. I love you, boss. Say no homo. Erastus Asaridonko, yeah, me boss Erastus. Under Ekufuado MPP we are no. He went to discover, say, military, Ghana military. And a boss site. Forest on buying Emma MPP Galamsey. Yes. We were here. We saw all this. MPP was here day. Moi.
The team's journey to this part of Manso and its forest saw scenes of destruction. Abandoned pits and mining settlements dot the road leading into the remaining part of the forest. After dodging water-filled, dangerous open pits, we arrived at this mining settlement deep within the forest enclave. 7 Chinese nationals were quickly located and arrested. Leader of the team conducted a search room by room. There were indications of military presence.
From what we are seeing here, it looks like there are some military men involved in this whole activity in this forest. Because looking at their uniforms, even some have names on them, but we did not meet any of them. But looking at it, I think the military were the people protecting them here to do this illegal job.
Okay, so what are we doing with the uniforms? First of all, we need to retrieve them and then ascertain as to who sanctioned their duties here.
So these are military accoutrements. You can find names on them. This one is Camel. This one is Camel. We have the other one, Amweni, on this one. And these are, as security men have been able to authenticate, these are quality Ghana Army uniforms, indicating that we may have some military involvement here in this site. In the midst of our search, a young military officer drove into the compound in a Tundra vehicle.
Yes, sir. Obi to say, I will see a lot of people. Obi to say, so just no more.
He started making some calls to his superiors.
I will do the staff sergeant, sir. We are here at this thing, Tontokrom. The whole duties, and there are some policemen and media be here.
Within the next 30 minutes, the whole place was crawling with over 30 angry, armed military men. Anger turned into heated verbal exchanges and near fisticuffs. A group of physically built men with known faces from the Delta Force group also joined them. The Chinese were released. Our news team was prevented from filming anything from this time onwards as they overpowered the task force and took over.
Please stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing.
Things got physical as the macho men assaulted my driver, forcibly took the keys to our vehicle and struggled with a camera technician for the camera. Under the watch of the military men, they broke our windscreen and side mirrors. Owner of the site, Donald Ntua, ordered the military to delete all footages from our camera and our personal phones. But we managed to retrieve items from our formatted card. It took the intervention of the Ministry of Environment and the Military High Command to get us released. The Minister for Environment told our news team, quote, Heritage Imperial only has a prospecting license, and so it is mining illegally in the forest. He is supposed to be drilling, testing samples to be presented in the process of getting a mining permit. But Donald told our news team he has all the documents giving him full access to mine in the forest. But in all this, the best judge is the environment, which lies unclaimed with huge gullies and pits. Reporting for Joy News, Erastus Asaredonko, Kumasi.
Erastus Asaredonko they report to and they Kwadwo. Military men na omo protect Galamsey in Sasi. Or some my license for people to go into forests to mine. Listen, Kwadwo came into office. He gave over 2,000 licenses. Owie no sa be a forest no say among for wure munko mine. Owie no sa the military e bo ne party for no mo ye Galamsey ho ban say omo mine. Owie e na Frimpong Boate a oye sector minister cho report say omo nim omo mo party mu a omo ye Galamsey no omo ye nchi omo no e no to report ne to twene ye. Nanado Dankwa Kwadwo 7th of January a yebe so mahama hin no ino Nana Kwadwo on my license 107 7th of January 2025 Nana Kwadwo Emma license 107. Now in 8 months MPP are all over the place telling Ghana for say Galamsey must stop. And some people are acting as if say the work the NDC government they have put in. Mameka me binchro. NDC ba power. Na under a MPP. Oma ye Galamsey ay bi ekro. And Kwadwo under Bawumia under MPP way. Omo ye Galamsey ati kro. Abrewa ni nkran. Omo ti ekro. Mr. P, get me the exact location. NDC ba power ni ebe say sana there was a town in our forester. MPP for Esikro. This is what we call MPP under MPP na metro. Abrewa Ninkran rate. The Galamsey community had over 10,000 residents engaged in criminal enterprise. Date na show na April 19, 2025. John Mahama ba power. When they started fighting Galamsey, and who say Nana Kwadwo the MPP for omuti a whole community. And nipa beye 10,000 guma mu ye gala. Ni nyina Kwadwo so mo ehu. MPP ni bien wo hu sa galan site no. It was only when NDC came to power. And who say ye wo kro bi wo forest ni my friend Abrewa ni nkran. And a John Mahama suma soldier for omukọ hye sa kro no. You people are saying say John Mahama and NDC are not doing anything.
Deep in the Subiri River Forest Reserve in Ghana's western region lies a hidden community, a sprawling illegal mining settlement known as Abrewa Ninkran. Home to more than 10,000 people, it has grown far beyond a makeshift village. This is no ordinary encampment. It's a full-blown enclave with its own shadow economy, one sustained by child prostitution, drug abuse, counterfeit operations, and suspected human trafficking. In a dawn raid, a joint task force made up of military personnel and the Forestry Commission stormed the enclave. What they expected to be a hideout for about 2,000 illegal miners turned out to be a bustling community with over 10,000 inhabitants, many of them foreign nationals from Nigeria, Guinea, Niger, Burkina Faso, and Mali.
This place, it's an eyesore. The place is full of illegal miners with all manner of activities within this community. We've seen incidents of child trafficking, child prostitution, drug abuse, money laundering, counterfeit, you name them. And we are getting nationals from all over the sub-region. It appears this community is a representation of ECOWAS. We have people from other neighboring West African countries, from the Sahelian regions, from Guinea, from Niger, from Burkina Faso, from Nigeria, from Mali, and all of them are here. And this is a rural community.
Abroad Ninkran and the Kwadwo MPP no more building a crew in the forest. Nipa be 10,000 gum. Omo ye gala. Kwadwo Bawumia MPP aban obiaso we until NDC ba power. Inti imagine. Senka John Mahama soba power and o issue license and o stay back in Accra. Can Abroad Ninkran unu demand komedi no. Can nipa 50,000 iguo. Unu asase an komase no. Kwasi ebi to say the president did not do his body language. Who bottom? Ayana mama MPP for Jimmy Ford abuti omo. They know they cannot rule again. And that's why they are making so much noise. Me see omo petumi no omo de beye den. This is what they will use the power for. Because in Kofana, Omushe Ebi Abroad Ninkran where your forest muno, San Kofona Ediba Umiani Canada Japan chi. San Kofona Momu 2,500 licenses now and there a shop more to be Piabontino. San Kofona sponsor Bawumia campaign, sponsor Canada campaign. They are waiting. They are waiting. At a point, Minerals Commission catcher say a whole regional chairman Wood to me was mining without legitimate license. I am not saying it. A whole regional chairman of the NPP. He was in the forest mining illegally. Nana Dankwa Kufuor got the opportunity to tell Ghana for say that is wrong. He defended Chairman Wood to be Kufuor said Chairman Wood to me illegal mining. Abena minu mienu yehu a document from the Minerals Commission. You sit there. Na kwasi ebi to say miracle abuaji Jimmy for better TV so na no tenten so ofu ya ase and we don't understand and me say what bodam entientam to me mama fanya dan inwan kwasi afo na mo say Ghana no abrewa kwasi ampanyi bi na chekere ya na eye nyina na nanom na chekere ye mo say Ghana no obi na fra brisie na otepepo bi so na chekere ya na ye nyina ye na nanom na chekere ye obi enim nyansa nchen obi a enti kwasi afo so na TV so they don't care. They are waiting. Yatiana Mokachere said before election 2024. Omokachere said Galano, Omunyane Enyachna, a whole minister.
The whole year. Is so I a problem there. And you want mention I started. Obina Opese, Anka Omoye, Nanka ya speed. Nanka ya court, Nanka ya stopping Galamsey for Nanka ya losing your seat. Yes, stop you, Omuna. Yes, stop you, Omuchina. Anka omoye nanka ya speed nanka ya court nanka ya stopping Galamsey for nanka ya losing your seat. Yes, stop you omuna. Yes, stop you omuchina.
This is what they basically sat on TV to tell us on campaign trail. Yes, stop you omune. Yes, stop you omuchina. This is what they did. Omukachire we nim. Yan jai Galamsey no. Saata na Abroad Ninkran machine so te. Chairman won't to me, Minerals Commission the report about still from Pomboating 2,500 excavators naira kwasia for inti enja bibia na mosi ya den NDC nya den enya hwe 8 months one adwuma NDC aye. That is why I keep telling Ghana for mamuntie MPP for no more Jimmy omu ye ntwamwa omu ye kwasia for and I will keep insulting the NPP. I am a member of the NPP. And nothing is going to stop me from doing that. Because mwe Jimmy. Munim nyansa. Mogisa Ghana for ya mwa. So you don't want to think. It's amamuma, mummema, mumpenifo, munyina muye nyai, munim nyansa. You don't care about the Ghanaian. It's all about power. So we see omukasemwa, ninyina ye to me, see about power. See yes about power. Yes, saka to me when we get power, power will change. The whole thing is not about we making Ghanaians know say your Ghana ho adwene pa ya pese ye de adwene pa ba na chekere man no ye ba power o ma say toilet mumwa ejimi foma. And that is why every day when I sit here I justify the reason why I insult you people, because Jimina Dokromo, you are selfish ingrate, tribal bastards. You people think say musu enemo bino and also the chekere Ghana. We are not going to build the nation out of fools. We are going to take our time and do what is right. Into when Jimmy Fo waited to in just 8 months, you about power. Then you ask them, oh, the 2 million, oh, the day, over power, over a day. Huh? You about power. Yeah, power. Power now, but no the be day. Kwasia forma. Mo the power na day. We gave you power. 8 years. 2,500 excavators. Ni na irae. Yatiani ati party yeska. A whole national regional chairman told us, you catch a whole institution catch say, oh yeah, illegal mining. Minerals Commission released a statement. The president went out and defended him. Then the mabetuna abain papa ba. Now Abena is taking steps to change things. Most someone here and now these dirty boys on Joy News. Jandam. Today, Joy News is a filthy platform. Every single person is listening to Media General. You know why? Because they are being neutral a little bit. They are not perfect, but they are better. Why should any reasonable Ghanaian get up in the morning and say, I'm going to listen to multimedia? Look at what Kwadwo Yankson could not keep a home, and this idiot sitting there doing. They think it's a fight between them and the government. Media General is taking the numbers. Ghanaians are listening to Media General because they are being objective on the issues. They are being very honest about issues. When Johnny Dems are doing a show, they are being honest. And they say things which is nice about the government. But you can see they are being honest. They are doing their job. That is why Media General is controlling the traditional media in Ghana. Because Joy News is a waste. Saturday show news file. And it is all nkwasiasam and obebode numusa halitosis. Psalms 9 the people are not there to listen to stupid grammar. The people want to hear the facts, the truth. Be honest with them. Tell them the truth. When people tell you, say, Kevin Taylor, or the insult, and or the attempts are, say, me the attend young kwan at the NDC about power, and the attempt kwan for NDC about power. Because nobody in Ghana can win power with only insults. It means, even though say, me the attempt I was backing my 10 with facts, but can you do it? You can't. And it's also because Kevin Taylor or your MPP, or the attempt and John Mahama about power. So to be the attempt John Mahama about power, then there was something unique about Atena Midi, because then there's something backing Atena, But can you do that? You can't, because you don't have the evidence to back. Me answer me do attempt. I need to make you know the facts. Me ma wu adikudienti ameso uye chabwa we Jimmy. It is not going to change the dynamics. Nothing is going to change here. The issue here is. The issue here is the NPP, Ghana for Muntiasia, we are junkies. And then last time people said me and boss Erastus, he said, Erastus, comparing what you went through in 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24, and this past 8 months, can you boldly sit on TV and say, what you saw and the Kwadwo and Bawumia is better than what you are seeing today? It's a challenge I threw to Erastus Asaridonko. And with all due respect, respond to me on your Facebook page. From what you have seen so far, 8 months, and what you saw 8 years and the Kwadwo, can you tell me today that Galamsey is worse today? Prove it with your evidence. And all those people making noise. Galamsey, no. Let's step back a little bit. And remember, Bosse, John Mahama has not issued any license. Remember, John Mahama is about to repeal LI 2462. Remember, the NPP, they opened the floodgate for people to enter our forest to mine. So put all those things in consideration before you make your decision or come out with your answer. Whether now, what we are seeing now, what the government is doing now, what the fight against Galamsey now, compared to that of Kwadwo and Bawumia, tell us which one is better. Let's be honest a little bit. Let's be realistic a little bit. Let's be honest to each other. If it is going well, we know. And this government has never. They have fought Galamsey. They have succeeded. This government, every single day, they are briefing Ghanaians. They are letting Ghanaians know the steps they are taking. We are seeing men in boots on the ground. We are seeing day in, day out, action being taken. At least we are seeing physical presence of people who are willing to work. We were here 8 years with these people. We saw what we went through. The aftermath of that deadly 8 years. The aftermath of Galamsey for 8 years. So bit na bemu. Na so join a party for. Na oma a year license over 2,000. Now Obia floodgates, Obia Uncle Forest, Muko Mine, Nonko Galamsey. Now the party for Galamsey. 8 years, no, 8 months, you are going to see the aftermath for about 5 years, 6 years. In Subi almost started almost seno. Asasibi almost started almost seno. 8 years, almost down Wuramuana Mubonsio, almost say Oda, almost say a River Pra and Cobra. 8 years, no Mujinasu, 8 years. Can you use 8 months? So, but do you think state of emergency but in 8 months? We need to be realistic a little bit. And let's ask reasonable questions. Reasonable answers. Obi Jinansium 8 years around the nation, connecting all rivers, destroying all rivers. 8 years. Obi Power 8 months. I will say, why in the state of the emergency, Galamsey will not stop. Abra, you have seen on the ground what the government is doing. In time, people for no Jimmy and about power. And when we come to power, Kwasia, when am I about power? Or chamber, when am I about power? Power, what are you doing? Or is a power a competition? Or is a power between NDC and PP? Or you say a nipa bin group a boom and you be on power. A nipa na who treat you 8 years. O say omon sa sia odi Galamsey no. Nipa na obo butu no. Omona o ka chom say obesa power. Na just omagimi. I na mo people for mo kasa to say omo mo beto aba no mugu ka ejim na machi omagum to say bia Bawumia adwene no. Bawumia na nenkokɔ dwene na dan tirim no. Aka nan pe. E de say omo mo beto aba no omugu ka ejim ye twen 2028 ye release yo mo. I some wagimi. Now, you see this is very, very important. Team, stay with me. I have one eye. Stop Galamsey now. Fix the country to hold anti-Galamsey demonstration on September 21st. With all due respect, I am in favor. I am in support of this. Fix the country for some mobile demonstration about Stop Galamsey. I support it. And if there's one thing that I love about this government, led by John Mahama, their willingness to allow people to express themselves. And this platform, I am telling you, we are in support because we all need to take action. We all need to get on the ground. We all need to speak. We all need our voices to be heard to fight this menace that was left behind by the NPP administration. It is not the job of only John Mahama. It is not a job of only NDC people. It is not a job of only Ghanaians. Yes, we do politics. It is all of us, our responsibility to fight Galamsey. And if a group of young men and women believe or they feel, say, their voices need to be heard, I support it 1,000%. And I know the president, Otisono, he is open for dialogue. He respects demonstrations. He is one person who is open for us to find solutions to fighting Galamsey quickly. Because his government is doing its part. Into the group now, Omajatum say, Stop Galamsey, no, loud silence media, we are in support 100%. If they want to do this Galamsey demonstration for a week, I am in support of it. We need to get serious. We all need to get out there. We need to support this good cause. Young man, be a person demonstration, you have to be part of it. Young lady, be our person part of the demonstration, you have to be part of it. You need to follow the Galamsey conversation. Right now, when we come every day, we will update Ghanaians, the Abena here on illegal mining. I mean, the fight against Galamsey. We will update you. And you people know, when you go online, you see the decisions, the kind of effect, Abena effect in the fight against Galamsey. We are going to also add an episode to this show. It is only about the fight against Galamsey. 5 minutes. We will tell you every day. We will update you. The Abena here. We are part, and we are happy to be part of this Stop Galamsey demonstration. No government official. Me yem show on ena. Me wa fast na wo Chelsea no. Or texting kwasha semreme. Wa fast blocking no. Blocking or remember name catches blocking or remember name text me. Jennifer on national. So on a serious note, I am pleading with the IGP. IGP, please, with all due respect, grant them the permission. I am part of it. We are all part of it. We all want Ghana water, Ghana forest, everything preserved well. So IGP, with all due respect, allow Fix the Country movement to get on the street and demonstrate peacefully. Peacefully is the word. With all due respect to these young people in Ghana, and before I go into this, I want to send a message to the NDC, your executives, your CEOs, your ministers, your MPs. Nobody should try and dare any Fix the Country person on TV that they are not going to allow them to go on demonstration. From the Flagstaff House to the last NDC person in government, nobody should dare. Ghanaians have the right to demonstrate peacefully. Young men and women, they have the right to get on the street and demonstrate. How they feel, they should be able to express it. That is why they gave power to the NDC. Until nobody, NDC TV, so I have issues with, you can express your view on the demonstration, which is fine. Oh, you don't like the idea. That one there is your own problem. But nobody should think, say, Obetumia threaten Obi, say, I am an NDC person, I'm a communicator, I'm a DND, and we dare you, if you're a man, anybody who does that, we will make sure that this government kicks you out. Every single person opinion matters in building a nation. And we are all expecting every young man, why ready so beso kwa bontene, ekwe eye de yechre, ema ewiase nyina hu say the menace eye Galamsey NDMPP for jato ho. Ejato wa at this point, essay chrono, we all have to fight this menace. Inti Galamsey fight in there. It is your fight, it is my fight. This is a message to NDC for no. Wow, NDC ma only omunya adwene no omunya utamfo. Allow them to go out. The IGP, I am pleading with you. Allow the Fix the Country young men and women to express their views. Wherever they want to go put their petition, let's give them access to drop their petition. Because the government wants to listen to every single person. The government wants to listen to the young people. Galamsey fighting, it's all of us, our fight. It is not a fight against one person. It's not a fight against another group. It's a fight we all have to fight. And I want to send this message to the Fix the Country men and women, or the conveners. Now, as much as this government is going to give you the room to go out there and express yourself, I bind way baby be to protect you. I'm in support of what we are about to do. But nobody should dare. Do not underestimate the IGP. Do not underestimate the police force. Do not disrespect normal Ghanaians omuko omejuma peacefully. So omuko a demonstration, make sure you work within rules and regulations now. IGP diamamono. Anybody who tries to trespass, you might be dealt with. And I will support the Ghana Police Service. If anybody or then who be joining demonstration, we be na adwene say obebum braso, because we want to demonstrate in peace and in the law. Yam pese obi abefa mrasha nsem say wo hu se car bi siwo okotu key, you are not going to be spared. When we say a dime bi siwo wakobu glass, you are not going to be spared. When we say aban pole bi siwo, anything that belongs to the taxpayer, stay away from it. So police because someone demonstrating for her, demonstrate and use the same route. We are all going to try and take or pick this feed. My TV, I'm not going to take a dime from anybody. I'm going to pick this feed. Nobody should try and do anything out of the normal. Because when that happens, we will support the police to take aggressive stand. And Intina, I was pleading with the IGP, say they should give you people all the necessary support, the necessary protection. Most 2 days. Let's stick to the 2 days. Let's respect the rule of the game. Let's respect the rule of law. Let us make sure we demonstrate within the laws. We should not try and take advantage of this and think, say, you better say by BB. The moment anybody tries to destroy any government property and as a go after any civilian, that person technically, automatically, the group, the demonstration becomes a targeted group the police can deal with. And intina yamamu leadership no ako sign krata. Nobody should think say obetum the demonstration way aye nyoma bia ehu hia. Into why you say obeko demonstration way bia. With all due respect, I support you to be part of it, but make sure so be dimrana so. So why you say, oh, akotuka kia? I also offer with that kind of count because the police will see you as an enemy. So why you say, oh, kotububa abo police ni, oh, say aban bibia, you are an enemy to the police. You might not make it home. And these are things we need to let you people know. Senebeya, we will understand. Say police more opportunity to go out there and demonstrate. Now, almost agitum say, I'm be protect you. Then also tells you, abide any police, no matter ready, so be protect you. But so you are going to say, because of demonstration, ube to me afa emrasha winsem to do what is not right, then we will also support the police to strike hard. Nobody's above the law in Ghana. You might think you know the law in your head, but when you're outside and you're exposed, the law, when you break it, the police are not going to go bring the constitution to read the law before they take action. They are going to take action before we read the constitution. You might know you're right, but the moment you break the law, you have to understand that your rights have been compromised. So stick within the laws. Do what is right. I support this demonstration. Stop Galamsey now. Fix the country. They should get on the street. I am pleading with the IGP. Give them every support. The president, I know, supports this. He wants Ghanaians to have that conversation. He wants all of us to jojo. He wants all of us to come to the table and find solutions to end this quickly. The government is doing its part. We can all see. And see, I am part of this. I am in support of this. But I will never support anybody who tries to take the law into his own hands or her own hands to do things that are against the law. With that, we will expect the police to press. And we all know when the police presses, the one who loses. Enti mo amuli di sa group we mon kanokre mundi no kre moma omo ba be join mu enhu adekudie ntia eta ekira mokoye adwene pa a eta ekire adwene boni bia bem wan hwa am wankasa mo ho beka. It's a fact because the police will protect you and they have to also protect omo ka demonstration. It's a simple message to you guys. All right.